Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to clean up my Gmail inbox with SaneBox. And right now I'm currently inside the SaneBox landing page. So I'm sharing this with you guys because I'm personally using it as well. It is a pretty powerful tool that helps you organize your email. Basically, that is the entire definition to it. The most simple definition or description I can give with SaneBox is it helps you with your productivity and organization. Now, with that being said, before we get started, I just want to show you the pricing. So this is going to be the prices. We have three options. One snack, lunch, and dinner will cost you $3.50 for snack, or $3.49, $5.99, or $6 for lunch, and dinner is $16.99 or $17. Basically, they named it snack, lunch, dinner, or this is going to be the starter, beginner, elite, and then the pro. So that being said, this is going to be your choices. So let's now set up our own account. So before you can log in, you can just choose your Gmail or Yahoo, or if you have your own account, please log in, and I'll see you once inside. So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is basically what it looks like inside SaneBox. Now, it doesn't look much, it's pretty straightforward. There is also a YouTube tutorial about this one, but you won't need this one because you have me, right? So with this one, make sure you are using the Gmail that you want to link on logging in. For example, I use my Gmail account to log in SaneBox, and that Gmail account will be the one on our sample video for today. For example, I'm going to go to my Gmail account right now. So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is going to be my Gmail account. As you can see right here, it's very cluttered. I have, I think, 600 unread emails right here. And with SaneBox, it helps me tone it down to 26. So you might be wondering, where are the 500 or 550 more emails? I only have 26 here. So what I have for 26 is the most important emails I have. The 600 or more than 600 emails are diagnosed or organized here on SaneBox. So we have Sane Archive, Sane Black Hole, Sane CC, Sane Layer, and Sane News. So I'm going to discuss each one of them, starting with Sane Layer. So Sane Layer basically gives you the option to make sure you're going to have organization on your email in regards with the not so important emails. So the most important ones are going to be inside your primary inbox, of course. And then for Sane Layer, these are the not so important emails. For example, this 30% Father's Day gift, or this security alert for Google. So they're gonna be inside Sane Layer. However, if you want to move up your Sane Layer email, for example, we're gonna be inside Sane Layer, and I want it to be moved on my main inbox, I can just simply highlight it and then drag it to my main inbox, like so. Awesome, right? Speaking of the next features right here, before we proceed to Black Hole, Archive, News, or CC, you might not be seeing this just yet on your end. To enable them, let's go back on the dashboard or the website of SaneBox. So welcome back to the video. Right now, again, we are inside the platform of SaneBox. To enable those labels right there, make sure you enable these options. So we have folder, training and filters, organize, deep clean, reminders, and so much more. Focus on folders first. Now once you're inside in folders, make sure you enable this option. One for Sane Layer, one for Sane News, Sane CC, Sane Black Hole is right there. Of course, if you want the specific or direct description to which one of them, click this option, wherein Sane Layer means email in your Sane Layer folders are less important. Of course, even though you have Sane Layer, Sane News, Sane CC, Sane Black Hole right here, I also love this option, where you can customize your own folders. Basically, you can create your own organization folders right there, or we call them labels. So if I click on create right there, I'm gonna name this one sample label. So I'm gonna click on this one right there, set up automatic forwarding. That will be a no for me. Clean up older email. That will be a no for me. Of course, if you want to click yes, please choose that one also. And click on create right there. Now, I can now see this sample label being created as right now. Real time, it's activating. So I'll see you once it's here on my Gmail account. So welcome back to the video. Right now, our DIY custom folder is finished. For sample label right there, it's going to be turned on like here. Of course, you're gonna have this settings for your specific folder, but before I click on this one, let's go to our Gmail. Now once you're in Gmail account, click on the labels right here and you'll see the sample label we got. So you're gonna have a sample tutorial here or instructions on how to utilize this SaneBox label, a custom folder that you made. If you click on this one right there, you're gonna have these bullets. But before we proceed on this one, let's go back on the SaneBox landing page. So once you're here, click on the folder right there to make sure you edit the settings on the specific label you created, like so. So I'll see you once it's there. So welcome back to the video. Right now it's currently enabled as folder status. Email forwarding is currently off, so if I click on this one, it's gonna be turned on. I can forward the email to anyone I want, but for now, I'm just gonna turn this off. Clean up folder email basically automatically move all their emails from this folder to Sane Archive. So if I click on this one right there, and then I click on save, after a month, all of my emails inside my sample label will be moved on Sane Archive. Now let's go back on Gmail. So that is how you use the sample label for the sample DIY folder you created. Again guys, if you just want to move any email you want, simply hover it out and then drop it on a specific label that you want, like so. Awesome, right? So for example, let's talk about this one right here, Sane Black Hole. Now basically black hole is, as the name suggests, it's gonna be connected to trash or garbage. Now for example, I'm gonna click on this inbox and I'm gonna look for a specific spammer or a spam email I always have. I'm gonna go in here, Sane Layer. Now with this one, as you can see, I have 4 emails from Team DID. If I hover this email right there and then drop it on Sane Black Hole, what it does is, what's it inside here, after a specific time, after 7 days or 30, depending on your settings, it will go straightly on your trash. So any emails from Team DID will go straightly on Black Hole. You won't have it on your inbox anymore. You won't have it on your Sane Layer. Any emails again guys from this sender will go straight to Black Hole. And after a certain time, 7 days or 30, depending on your preference, it will lead you or it will go straightly in trash or archive. Awesome, right? Now speaking of archive, this is as the name suggests. You can archive anything here and after a certain time, it will go straightly on trash. It's the same thing as Black Hole, but for this one, you don't have to go straightly or hover or drop any emails here and then stop any receiving spammers. That is for Black Hole. They are two similar but still separate functions. Talking about Sane News, this is basically, as the name suggests, every news you have from all of your subscription. So you don't have them inside your inbox spamming you all together every time and every day. You can just check Sane News for any up-and-coming current digest events. Now let's talk about the next feature that I love so much, second to Sane Black Hole, will be Sane No Replies. Basically, as the name suggests right here, if you send an email, for example, personally if I send an email, it's currently gone on my mind. It's gonna be stacked on one email on another and I basically forget about it. So Sane No Replies reminds you that you have sent an email and then basically check on it from time to time. That is basically it. Let's check on it on Gmail right now, but of course guys, make sure it's enabled first on your platform. So welcome back to the video. Right now I'm currently inside the Sane No Replies label. As you can see right here, I haven't sent any email just yet. So this is gonna be the tutorial or the code or basically the guides. So with this label, everything you sent will be in here that doesn't have a reply just yet. You can edit the settings and how long will it remind you or how often. Anyway, this is the label that you should check from time to time if you're waiting for a reply and you forget about it or basically you don't want to remember it. Right now, basically this is arguably the best feature inside SaneBox. If from time to time, if you doesn't have your free trial anymore and you want to pay for a subscription, think of this feature that might change your mind because this is an awesome feature right here. What it does is email deep clean. Basically what you do right here is trash old useless emails that you no longer need. Now you don't have to manually select your emails on your Gmail and then manually delete them. For email deep clean, what you can do is scan emails for this month or a specific time frame. scan them, and then choose which one you want to delete. You can sort by storage use or total messages right there. Now, if you scan or selected a sample email here, like so, just put a check mark, click on the trash selected, and then click on I'm sure, click on confirm. As you can see right there, moving your selections to trash, and this might take a while. Anyway, after this one, that email has been moved to trash and you won't be able to have it on your inbox anymore. And that is email deep clean for you guys. And now for the last feature that I'm going to give you, or we're going to talk about, is digest. Basically right now, I already opened this one, but it will be ready 2 p.m. today. If I click on this one right here, it will lead me on the new platform. So as you can see right here, it's basically done reviewing. Your next digest will be ready in about 6 hours, so I don't want to take you that much. And then what you can see here is basically a summary of the most important thing that is inside your email. You have your main inbox, right, on your Gmail. For SaneBox, you're gonna have the digest where it's gonna be a summary. So I have a screenshot in here to show you what it basically looks like. So basically it looks like this. This is gonna be your digest. And with that being said, you can have all of your important emails here. And this is basically the drop down. If you click on any specific emails you want to check, you can move to inbox just once, set a reminder, move to folder, archive, or delete. It's basically a summary of all your important emails. Now before I let you go, going back to the dashboard, you can enable or disable all of your folders with ease. Again guys, make sure you enable them if you want to see them or use them on your Gmail. Of course, you can also disable them if you want to, like so. And with that being said, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.